All right, Mila, you ready for some peas? See what you think of these. Ready? What do you think?
Oh no.
Mila.
Oh no, she hits it. I don't blame you, little girl. I don't blame you.
Like, what did you give me? Aw, you just gotta get used to them, Mila. I need a paper towel here.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording. Okay, recording.
Hey, Mila, they're good, I swear. It's pretty good. Mmm.
Did you try it?
No.
It
It's disgusting.
Man, we have another bottle of that too.
Come on, Mila. You know you want some peas. It's okay. It's pretty good. You just gotta get used to it. It's
She ate
good.
it that time. It's good.
Mmm. Mmm. All right, now it's your turn.
Good girl.